Hello friends. Welcome to today's tutorial. My name is IROKOPRESS. Today, I will teach you how to fix social media buttons not showing in TikTok. If social media buttons are not showing in your TikTok account, I will teach you how to fix it. Watch the full video and follow all the instructions step by step. Let's start. Log in to your TikTok account. Tick on the profile. Click the three dots on top. Click the Settings and Privacy. Contact the customer support by clicking here. Click Editing Profile. Click here. Click here. Click here for more help. File your report here. The social button not showing in TikTok. Please fix the problem. Click to submit. You have successfully reported the problem to the TikTok customer support. They will reply to your report and also get the problem fixed for you. Please subscribe and share our videos. See you in our next class.
Thanks for being with us in today's class. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and click on notification button, for more advanced tutorials. Thanks for watching.